Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by pressing the PS button and opening the Control Center, then choose Notifications or Game Base. Once done, you'll see recent alerts including incoming friend requests, so make sure to scan the list carefully. If you don't see requests, go straight to Friends in Game Base. That area groups friend activity and pending requests. Don't waste time toggling settings. Confirm you're signed into the correct PlayStation Network account, and your online/offline visibility is set so PSN can deliver requests. Once in Friends Requests, you'll see each pending invite with the sender's profile photo and mutual friends. You can accept immediately, decline, or tap View Profile to check trophies, online status, and mutual connections. That helps verify who they are. If you expect multiple requests, use the filter or search to locate a specific user faster. Make sure to review privacy settings as you go. Changing visibility or friend request permissions will alter how future invites arrive and reduce unwanted requests. Finish by confirming accepted requests are listed under Friends, then send a quick message or invite to start playing. If requests are missing, sign out and back in, restart the Ps5, and check PlayStation Network status because outages can block delivery. Make sure to review privacy settings, limit who can send friend requests, or require confirmations if you want fewer unknown invites. If problems persist, power cycle your router and console. Many delivery issues clear after a network refresh, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.